how to sell anything to anyone at any time. If you click on this video, you probably want a real repeatable process, not another flimsy closing trick. Well, this video lays out a 4-step framework that every B2B tech founder needs so they can stop losing deals. Right now, you're probably working in your business, juggling product roadmaps, fundraising, but your pipeline's leaking, demos are fizzling out, your pricing is up in the air, and you just keep hearing, well, let me think about it. Meanwhile, you're watching your competitors win big deals and you're getting super frustrated. What if I told you there's a simple 4-step playbook that allows you to take leads and turn them into signed contracts without all the guesswork? I've spent nearly 20 years closing hundreds of millions of dollars in enterprise software deals, scaling my own B2B startups to 8-figure exits, and training teams to build predictable pipelines without massive budgets. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a value proposition that speaks to revenue, cost savings, or risk reduction. Define and focus on your ideal customer profile so you don't waste so much time. I'm going to show you how to find prospects on LinkedIn, forums, conferences, by positioning yourself as a trusted advisor. And you're going to learn how to follow a repeatable 6-step sales process. By the end, you'll have a 4-step system that you can use to turn every outreach into a qualified demo and a closed-won deal. Here's how to sell to anyone, anything, anywhere, at any time. Step number 1, nail the value proposition. This is not what your product does, but what problem it solves. This is the key here. Your value proposition should finish this sentence. We can help who do what so they can why it matters. Remember, companies only buy products or invest money for 3 reasons: to increase revenue, to cut expenses, or to reduce risk. That's it. If your product doesn't allow your clients to do one or more of these things, you've got no chance, bottom line. If it does, however, and you can't explain it, you also have no chance. So this is why nailing that value proposition is so important. So take some time, refine that down to something really simple, straightforward, that explains what you do in the customer's terms. Step number 2, define your ICP, or your ideal customer profile. Stop wasting time selling to everyone and anyone who will listen to you. You need to qualify if you want to be as effective as you can in your sales efforts. Focus on the top 10% of the market who are most likely to buy quickly. That means the right industry, the right role, the right pain, and probably most importantly, the right level of urgency. If you don't know who you're selling to, your messaging will miss the target, period. Let's talk about the 3rd step. Find the right prospects. This is all about going where your prospects are hanging out. Get out there and find them on LinkedIn, industry groups, conferences, email lists. And keep in mind, you're not selling, you're diagnosing. Act like a trusted consultant and advisor to help them solve real, costly, urgent issues in their business. This is what's going to move the needle. Show them that you understand their world and they'll lean in. Step 4, use a repeatable process. And here's where most founders blow it. They try to close every deal differently. They believe that being quick on their feet is enough to move the needle and drive revenue. No process, no structure, just vibes, I guess. That does not scale. You need a repeatable sales playbook. What does this look like? Well, for most tech companies in a B2B environment, this includes discovery, diagnosis, a customized demo, building a strong business case for your prospect, setting clear next steps, and coming up with a mutual action plan to get the deal from where it is to where you want it to be, closed. No more winging it. You are going to close deals by building trust through consistency, and that happens when you have a process to follow every single time. So yeah, that's how you sell anyone, anything, anywhere, at any time. No tricks, no closing hacks, with a process that's well thought out and well executed. One that focuses on the customer and solving their actual problems. One that your buyer can actually follow. Most founders think that they have a sales problem, but what they really have is a process, clarity, and consistency problem. If you're ready to put this 4-step playbook to work and start closing deals consistently, just book a call with me. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. See you soon.